everyone. Today we're diving into an exciting adventure where we can pair 3 awesome paddle boards of the Niphean, the FunWater, and the FB Sports. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned paddler, we're going to break down everything you need to know from durability and price to design, performance, and all those all-important accessories included in the package. We're taking these boards out for a spin in 3 epic environments: a calm lake, the rolling waves of the ocean, and the flowing currents of a river, to see how each one holds up in real-world conditions. So if you're curious which paddleboard offers the best bang for your buck or the coolest ride, stick around because this is going to be one fun, laid-back, and super informative journey you won't want to miss. Let's get started. We're out trying another paddleboard, the Niphean. It's going to be fun. We're going to go take these around the lake. We're all going to be switching. The Niphean has a seat, so guarantee you it's going to beat these 2 out, but they're all great paddleboards, so let's go have some fun. I'm tired. I pumped all 3. That's the next thing I need to review, is an electric paddleboard pump. So I have secured our water bottles and my thing with the keys in it right there, so I don't lose my keys. Oh my gosh, I was just looking for my phone and it's in my hand. Per standard. I've also got the dry bag for the phone. I forgot the lanyard. I'm just gonna hold on to it for now because I don't plan on getting in the water. Today we've got the FB Sports, we've got the FunWater paddle, and we've got the Niphean brand. This is our newest one, and this one is so cool. It's just like that one in that it's 11 feet by 33 inches. I believe the FunWater is too. The Niphean has this seat attachment, which is really nice because my back cannot handle being out here for too long. With every board, you can usually hitch them together with your ankle straps. That's what's nice about all of these. They all really have a very good grip deck, so it makes it so that you're not slipping on this part. You're not going to slip off unless you're stepping on the back or the front, and that's where it's a little bit more slick, but hardly. On the back of the Niphean, you have this awesome strap that you can pick up, you can tie things to. None of the other ones have that, plus the D-ring right there. High attachable seats that go on the rest of these boards, but it's nice that this one comes with it. They're all in. Oh my gosh, that's the best part of paddleboarding is going to somewhere where you can get in the water. The things we noticed from the FB Sport, you've got 4 hooks just like you do on this one. 2, 3, 4. These are a little bit closer together. They're for hooking up a seat or hooking on really anything. But the FunWater doesn't have those. Alright, this is the FunWater, and this is the 3rd time we've taken it out, and it already got a little tear in it right here. We put a patch on it, but it like bubbled through because we were already out on the water. Bubbled through, so I gotta repatch this when we get home, but that's such a bummer. This one, if you want to get these out, you just push the pin in here, pop it out, slides right out. Slides right in, make sure you're going the right way, and then you can pop the clip in. All 3 of these have a clip on them, so they all need to be removed very carefully. It's not even cold! On the water. The weather is perfect if you are thinking about getting one of these for summer. Like, you don't have to go and rent them anywhere. We don't have to go all the way to the Whitewater Center to be able to get boards there and use those. Like, we can take these literally on whatever lake or ocean. We plan to take these to the beach and use them to ride waves in. I've stuck 6 kids on a paddleboard before, and these are so nice and wide. How's it feeling?
Great.
Do you love it?
Love it.
So much. I love how bright it is so that we make sure that jet skis can see you. You initially put this in, you just pull it in, push it in and twist it, and then just let the hose be free and all the air will start coming out the hose. And then once most of the air is out, then you can start pushing this up and down and it's gonna start sucking the air out. So here's where stabilizer goes. Here is where the other fins go. Easy and click. Slide it in all the way, take the pin, push it right down and click. Just to show you the stability of this board with that stabilizer fin, go ahead. Normally that would have thrown me off standing up here, but it did not. Now I need you to get back on the front. And when the kid gets on, typically I have to sit down and I can stabilize myself because the board is stabilized for me as she gets on and sits back down. How nice is that? Stabilizer fin for the win. It's really good if you have children to bring along for pumping. Day 2. We're getting there. Is it, hold on, pause. It's almost there. You want to get it right to the orange or right above. Good thing I got guns today, helping me with the boards. We are on the Niphean paddle. Got the stabilizer. There's 3 of us out in the ocean. All right, start paddling. So even while it's rocky out here on the ocean, we're like maybe half a mile out. Like the stabilizer fin. How far are we? Like 100 yards. We're 100 yards out from the beach. The stabilizer fin is doing its work. It's so easy to go from being down, being on your knees, standing up. You just put your paddle down, raise your fingers, both feet at the same time. Stand up, make sure you're always knees bent. And then you can paddle backwards, turn yourself left on the left side. Or paddle backwards on the right to turn yourself this way. Or paddle forward, turn yourself this way. It's like the Niphean paddleboarding with the dogs because it's the most stable board. Like they're moving around right now and I'm standing up and yeah, we're good. We're solid. Just prove to you that I'm standing up. Really need to get a tripod thing to hold my phone so my hand doesn't have to do this. Paddling one-handed, holding a phone, and paddleboarding with dogs. It's got to be a world record. They're doing great. Niphean board for the win.